What's going on, guys? Just came out here to get my camera repaired. A couple vlogs ago I broke my D750. Kind of slammed against the side of the door, and I don't know, like something broke on it, and now my pictures don't come out. So I just pulled up the Wings Digital. They're off Claremont. I've been going to them for a couple years. You might have seen on like Snapchat and Instagram stories. They actually repair lenses and cameras, and then they have a bunch of used stuff. It's like a consignment shop. People drop off stuff to sell, and sometimes you find some real good deals. They clean sensors. It's a mom and pop store, so I mean they're real like personal and cool. So that's like the biggest thing about it. So go in there, drop this camera off. I don't know how long it'll take to fix or how much it costs. I guess we'll find that out in the end. And yeah.
Oh, Melody.
What is it, baby? Oh my god!
That's taken with an ND. So what they'll do is they'll stop it down so that they can get that like flow.
Yes.
So on the corner they have all their used stuff. This is the Nikon shelf. This is me, Team Nikon, and they got Canon, Minolta, Olympus, Pentax. They got everything you need over here. You find a little bit of everything, like all these crazy lenses, and look at that, a 2870. It's only what, 200 bucks. A lot of this stuff is, you know, pretty old school, but you know, you find gold. This is a pretty good lens right here for 200 bucks. And there's a D610. If anybody wants a D610, oh, that's an 810. I'm so sorry. D810, 1400 bucks with the grip. Back here is a D700. This is my backup camera. This is what I'm using now since my 750 is broken. You can get this thing for $430. Pick this up right now. Look at that. If you see anything you like, especially right now in this vlog, you better grab it, because stuff does disappear. They do grab stuff pretty quick. So much stuff. This is just a Nikon shelf. You got chargers and batteries and stuff too. You go over to Canon. Ugh. I'm just kidding. But they got a little bit of everything. And just 70 bucks. Be a good like track lens right here. You got the old school stuff. A little bit of everything, man.
How many T700s do you get in? I have one at home.
We have lens caps, lens backs, got adapters. Got everything you need, man. Light setups, tripods.
Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. We will be back.
See, your shutter's not, your mirror's not opening.
Oh.
Your mirror's not coming up at all. That's on bulb.
Oh.
So the mirror should fly out of the way and then the shutter open.
Yeah.
If you'd like me to show you one that actually, give me just a second, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it should do.
Gotcha.
It should open and be able to see the
That's it.
sensor.
Yeah.
And yours is not even getting out of the way. The mirror isn't even moving.
Alright, not so bad. So that take about a week. Got my ticket. He said it probably cost like 200 bucks. You saw it wasn't that major of a problem. It was like so simple I never even thought to look at it. But I'm not a camera repair guy, so I guess we'll be back in a week and a half whenever I can get back out here. They're open on Saturdays, you know, I work Monday through Friday, but until then, you know, you already know. What's going on, guys? After a long hiatus due to COVID-19, the camera shop is finally open, so I can go finally pick up my camera. I missed it so much. Don't realize what you have until it's gone. Let's go pick up my D750. I also rinse the car off because I'm gonna be taking some pictures today because I missed that camera. Woo! All right, we are back. Wings Digital. Finally get this camera. Let me get masked up real quick. I don't want to be the only one in there not wearing a mask, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to look guilty. Plus, it's a flex. Perfect.
What's the point of these?
It's back. She's back. I missed you, baby. All right. She is back. Factory refreshed. Man, and the plastic bag looking all nice. Bro, I'm so excited right now. God, I love this camera. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, guys, the camera is back. Finally, the camera is back. Price to fix it was $329. They don't charge tax on repairs, so it's $329 out of the door. I mean, the camera brand new is like $2,200 or $2,400. Of course, it's kind of old now, but I think I bought it used for like $900, which was a steal. You know, I mean, usually they go for about $1,100 or $1,200. So to repair it to like pretty much new factory for $329, I can't complain. I mean, I couldn't find another one. Oh, it feels so good in my hands. Oh my God. Oh my God, my babe. Get you strapped up. God, I hope I have battery. Woo. I missed the flip out screen too. That's like one of my favorite things about this camera. Probably is my favorite thing about this camera. But I definitely miss it. Feels like I'm loading a gun. Oh, so beautiful. Say hello, guys. Oh my God, I missed this camera. The megapixels. This is 24 megapixels. The other one is 12. So that's why I really miss this. That makes a difference. It's like the picture quality is almost twice as good. I mean, look at that. That's just messing around. 2470 2.8. Whew, man, I miss this camera. I'm excited now. It's really bright right now, so I don't know if I want to shoot in broad daylight. Broad daylight photos suck. I explained that before, but I'm gonna try it because I need something. I gotta do something. I have this camera. I have to go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. I just pulled up to a random spot. I saw some shade, so I kind of just pulled off in there. Looks like the business is closed, so hopefully I don't get kicked out by some of the neighbors or something. But see if I can bust off a few shots real quick, you know what I'm saying? So I got the thing on me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do no full photo shoot right now. I just want to get back in the rhythm. D750, boy. Oh yeah, I can do this now. I can, ooh, see my D700 couldn't do this, man. And there you go. I didn't have live view on the other one, man. I could flip the screen out, you know what I'm saying? If I want to get low, you know what I'm saying? I get on the ground. Yeah, then you hit the autofocus, hit the little OK button, OK, and then boom, it focuses where you want it. You can move it, it's gonna stay focused right there on the wheel. Now, hit that button. Oh my God, I missed this camera. Like I said, man, it's the biggest thing I miss about this camera is this screen, the flip out screen. You know, I like to get low when I take my pictures and I can flip the screen out. Damn, I gotta move. All right, they're working in the back of the building apparently, so I'm gonna try to find another one. There's another one like right next to it, I think. All right, I had to change spots. I had to pull up to a loading dock. I hate shooting at loading docks. It's like so basic and expected. Everybody shoots at loading docks. But today, we're shooting at a loading dock. But anyways, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by someone doing their job. Just kidding. My favorite thing about this camera is the flip out lens. I like to get low on the shots and I can see what I'm looking at. And I can take the picture and I can move on. Instead, you know, with the D700, you know, I just hold the picture down there, take a picture, and I've got to flip the camera back up and move the spot. Like, nope, that wasn't it. Nope, that wasn't it. Nope, that wasn't it. And I waste a lot of time and a lot of shots trying to get the perfect low shot. Another thing I love about this camera is the megapixels. 24 megapixels versus the D700's 12 megapixels. So if I do take a picture that's not exactly orientated or cropped how I want it, I can crop in and not really lose a lot of my image. And I can't really do that in a 700. So I gotta make sure I take the perfect picture the first time. Because if I crop it in, then it's gonna be like a 2 megabyte picture, and that's pretty bad. Now, the D700 isn't a bad camera. I mean, I used it forever. I used it for over a year at least, and I love the camera. I mean, it's a good backup, but after you drive a GT3, you don't want to drive a Boxster. It's still a Porsche, but come on, man. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to get like top-notch quality and go back down. Now, I know when it comes to photography, the gear doesn't always matter. You can still make any gear work if you know what you're doing, but I like to take advantage of having the best gear. Let me give you another example of why I love live view tracking, because especially if you're taking pictures like that are good on Instagram and you take them long ways vertical, because you know at 8x10 you hit the buttons. Right now I'm gonna put the focus on the wheel right there in the middle, so that's where I want it to focus, and I can move my camera up so it's at the bottom of the frame and it stays on the wheel, and it's perfect. I guess loading dock photos can be all right if you find stuff to shoot with. Like I'm gonna shoot through these railings right here. Here's a crop example. I just shot through the railings, but maybe I don't like all the railing in there, so I can actually crop it like that on the computer and just get the top and bottom of the rail, and it's still a large picture. I want a full side shot. I don't have a lot of those. I'm gonna go through the bottom rail on this one and see how I can see that. No problem. That's perfect, man. Oh my God, my camera's back. Yes, yes. Well, sadly, it looks like my battery's about to die. I mean, it hasn't been charged in months. So I'm gonna shoot till it dies, and then we'll close this video out. All right, the sun's back out. It's pissing me off. I don't want to shoot no more. But anyways, thank you Wings Camera and Digital for taking care of my camera. It works perfect. If you guys need camera stuff, use camera stuff, repair, definitely hit them up if you're in the Atlanta, Georgia area, because they take care of me. They always take care of me. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I actually enjoy shooting again. Like I said, using the 700 was kind of like a clutch to me, and I didn't really enjoy it. I told the Mustang guy when I got my camera back, my good camera back, we could shoot again. So we're gonna do that probably this weekend. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Deuces. See you in the next one.